Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can see your liked videos on YouTube. So I'm currently showing you guys this tutorial over on iPhone, but it will also work on Android and probably even on desktop because it's basically all the same. So in order to see your liked videos on YouTube, literally all you need to do is open your YouTube app or go to youtube.com. And then once you have opened the app, all you need to go and do is go to the bottom right corner of your screen and click on those profile picture of you. Then, once you have done that, right here in the playlist, you can see your watch later playlist and your liked videos playlist. If you have more playlists added over on YouTube, you might have to scroll a little bit to the left or right in order to see your liked videos. But your liked videos is basically just a playlist YouTube automatically creates for you. And if you just simply click on it right here, then you will automatically see all your liked videos right here. We can see that I have never liked any videos over on this YouTube account, but if I literally just head over into any YouTube video, and it doesn't really matter which one, and then I can simply like it just like this, I go back, and now we refresh, we can see that this video is now in my liked videos playlist, and that's how I can view my liked videos on YouTube. So if you learned something from this video, I will highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in the next YouTube tutorial video.